If you're a teacher or a parent, I'm sure you have some sort of blocks somewhere in your house. But if you do not have magnetic blocks, you are truly missing out. These are so fun. This is the magnetic building tiles, actually. And it comes with 30. As you can see, there's lots of fun, bright colors. And they're just so easy to use. Like, look how easily those just clip on together. And you can honestly make so many different shapes and designs. It even comes with a little booklet that would give your toddler or students or whoever will be using it all kinds of different ideas of what to build and what to do. And of course, they can just use their imagination and build their own. It even comes in with a little bag here that holds all the tiles, of course, which is always my favorite thing. So things are not just thrown about all over the floor. But yeah, I'm really, really liking the size of them as well. They're really nice and big, easy to hold for younger students or children. And that magnetic pull is really, really strong, which is great. I did not think that it would be that strong, and it definitely is. And yeah, and the color is very appealing. Definitely a fun afternoon activity.